Hi guys, today we're making a Manhattan. It's a real simple, basic one. There's 3 ingredients. You got your whiskey component, your vermouth component. We're using a sweet vermouth, whiskey sweet vermouth, those are the necessities, and bitters. So we have our whiskey, our sweet vermouth, and our bitters. Bitters, you can run around and find different flavors, use all different kinds of bitters. These are kind of your standard Angostura bitters that are just in every bar. It's a really good workhorse bitter that kind of works in a lot of drinks. But if you want to add a citrus element or a salty element or a peppery element, or you want to go weird, put some celery in there. There's all kinds of different bitters out there that you can play with to add different components to your Manhattan. We're just doing a simple basic one today. And your 4th ingredient is the garnish. We have cherries, soaking in some Luxardo syrup, I guess. It's cherries and syrup, and I poured some Luxardo in there, and so it'll have a little bit of a boozy element along with the dark syrup. It's gonna be yummy. We're gonna be happy about it. If you don't have cherries, an orange peel works really well. So just twist an orange peel off, and then you make sure you twist it up and get those oils. We're using a cherry today. I've done orange peels in the past. You guys have seen it. You're gonna want a martini style glass. A coupe glass works fine, or whatever you want to serve it on. If you're doing it on the rocks, you can do it on the rocks, but we're serving it up. That's more traditional. So here we go. Mixing glass, ice, jigger. We're gonna go 2 ounces of bourbon, 2 ounces of rye, 2 ounces of whiskey, 2 ounces of your dominant spirit. One ounce of your sweet vermouth. And then all the recipes say something else. A shake of bitters, 2 shakes of bitters, 15 shakes of bitters. I usually do between 3 and 5. I like a decent amount of bitters in there, so I want to be able to taste it. So then we got our little stirry spoon. Stir for 30. So to get your cherry out of the jar, there's a couple different ways to do it without using your fingers to get all sticky. That's when the spoon comes in handy. Or we have these sweet chopsticky tongs that work really well. I actually kind of like the tongs a little bit better, just because that gives you something to hold on to while you skewer it. So we put that there in the glass. I like to garnish first on a Manhattan just because it looks kind of cool when you pour over the cherry. Damn fine Manhattan. Cheers.